Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a contact form log in Shopify. A contact form makes it easy for customers to reach out, ask questions, and connect with your business. On your Shopify dashboard, go to the online store section on the left side. Once you are there, click on Edit Theme. To add a contact form, click on Add section. We will add it in the middle part of the page. As you can see, the page is divided into the header, the template, and the footer. Now we will select the middle part. Click on Add section, then scroll down to Forms. Here we can see Forms. Click on the contact form. And there we go. We have just added a contact form to your Shopify store. Having a simple way for customers to contact you helps build trust and keeps communication open.